In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a Whop subscription. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. The first thing you need to do is to sign into your Whop profile, go to settings membership, then click on your subscription, then select cancel membership. Now this video on their website will show you how to do it perfectly. As you can see here, you click on cancel subscription, you choose why you want to cancel it, and then write a message to them. After that, just click on cancel membership, or you can keep on editing. So now if you go ahead to this link, it will redirect you to your account and your memberships tab. So if you have any membership here, it will be available. In my case, I don't have any here. So if you have it, just click on it, then select cancel membership. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.